I bet you didn't know that nature's most powerful anti-inflammatory isn't turmeric, and it's not ginger, and it's definitely not ibuprofen. It's something called black seed oil, and here's why more and more people are calling it liquid gold. And it's magical because it has this compound called thymoquinone, which has been shown in studies to be anti-inflammatory, reduce oxidative stress, and boost your immune system. In fact, some studies are showing that black seed oil is actually more effective at reducing inflammation than ibuprofen. And it's been around for over 2,000 years, and finally, modern medicine is catching up. So if you deal with bloating, joint pain, or chronic inflammation, black seed oil might be your new secret weapon. But high quality products matter. Your black seed oil must be organic, cold pressed, and high in thymoquinone. I only use this one from Maju. And they have oil, which I think is the best, or they have capsules or gummies. And it's on shop and the bookstore website, but if you click the link in my bio, it's 20% off the whole site.